We are looking at a AquaClass Stateroom on board the brand new Celebrity Apex. So you have light up RFID doors, door locks. You'll notice here the temperature and mood lighting control system. And let's have a look in the bathroom. Nice marble floors, good artwork on the wall. C.O. Bigelow upgraded amenities and a single trough sink with chrome accents and fixtures. And hey guys, I'm Mike. Welcome to Affluent Journeys. That's my website, affluentjourneys.com. I'm back on the Celebrity Apex for the second time, so I can do some more video content for you. And look at this, we have a large upgraded shower. I can get elbow to elbow in here. I'm 5'10" and fairly slim. Look at this, you have a rainfall shower head, a waterfall head, two side heads, and then you have the removable handheld shower by Bocini. And if you look in here, I can get all the way to my elbows. I'll tell you about how big that is. And you have the really nice high quality Egyptian cotton towels, lots of storage space and that type of thing. So there's a little step down here of about 3 or 4 inches there. And muster station is on deck 4, and instead of using an electronic doorbell system, they just have a do not disturb magnet like so. And we're looking at 243 square feet here in the AquaClass, and the room here will be the same size and general layout as the concierge and the standard infinite veranda staterooms. And look at this, everybody has their own Wi-Fi router here. Piece of coral accent. More storage space here. And a smaller amount of closet space. It's not a huge closet. You get a ton of hangers. They do have laundry service on Celebrity, but not self-laundry. They give you some umbrellas here for use. You'll have a safe. There's clothing drawers, and these are 2 yoga mats that you get in AquaClass. And then you get a spa kit here as well with 2 pairs of slippers, which are made by Fret. And looks like some lotion or lip balm here as well. They give you 2 terry bathrobes. And when you stay in AquaClass, one of the exciting amenities is that you get free access to the Persian garden, the spa, and the sauna area throughout the cruise, and that's in AquaClass only. Otherwise, you have to pay for it or buy a spa pass. And then no more single-use plastics, so they use aluminum cans for spring water. That's included. But all the rest here, you do pay for. So you do pay for the Evian, the snacks. This is the mini bar list here. Of course, you eat in blue for breakfast and dinner, if you like, every night, and that is upgraded dining over the concierge and other lower rooms. You'll also have an expanded room service menu, and they give you these really nice face masks in AquaClass and above, but guess what? They're no longer requiring face masks for passengers on board the ship. I have a full power bank here with the USBs, 110 and 220 volts, some hand sanitizers. Rusman is the stateroom attendant for this cruise. They give you a little card carrier here as well. And then in here is the mini bar. You can lock it out if you have kids and you don't want them to go in, or you can have the steward remove the stuff. So they'll have Kendall Jackson cab in here, La Crema Chardonnay, some Heinekens, some Tito's, sodas, lots of Tito's in here. But again, you do pay for this in AquaClass if you're in the retreat, which is Sky Suite and above. Then that's all included. You have more storage here, and they give you a little tote bag as well. So I have a chaise lounger here, some more nice modern artwork. It's modern luxury is one of Celebrity's taglines. You have a little writing desk with the spa menu and shopping menu, that type of thing. So this is how the room looks right when you get on board the ship. So they give you a welcome letter. We're on a 2-night travel agent inaugural cruise here. And this is the daily cruise calendar, essentially. And if you want to see the shows, I really recommend Caravan. They also have Rockumentary and one other. And tonight in Eden will be Night of Adrenaline. So each night in Eden, it's a different night in terms of the theme of the entertainment. This is our schedule. We're on the 2-night inaugural cruise to just out in the water. And here's the daily calendar of everything that's going on and when. By the way, this is a full, real king-size mattress. It's the Celebrity Exhale branded mattress collection. And let's have a look at the TV. They have really nice Samsung flat screen TVs. And you can do everything now from the TV. You can look at the safety information and do the safety drills now, all from your phone in the Celebrity app or here on the TV. See that? We have a whole bunch of live TV channels. They're playing NFL football today on the TV, streaming services, so you can connect to the internet, a whole bunch of movies and this and that, ship information, and you can go down to your account and onboard folio as well. And the 2 beds here, by the way, do split into 2 twins, if you're not that type of couple. And here's the infinite veranda that everybody seems to love so much. And you have 2 French doors that basically fold like this. If it's windy, you may make a little bit of noise outside. So you can close this if you want. And you got to kind of deal with the chairs and stuff. You got to make sure they're in the right spot so it doesn't make too much noise. And then if you look what it says right here, it says the captain can close the window by himself due to the weather. And you just hold this button down, or you can do it from the controller by the door when you come in. And you'll see we'll have a little table and 2 chairs out here, and you can of course close the French doors behind you so it doesn't declimatize the room. And a little crew in beautiful Port Everglades today. All right, I hope you enjoyed seeing my AquaClass room here on board the Celebrity Apex. If you haven't already, make sure to like the video, comment down below, and let others know about your experience, especially if you've traveled here in the AquaClass. What do you think about the Infinite Veranda? Do you think it's good? Do you think it's bad? Put your comments down below so others can learn from your experience and determine if this is something that would be right for them. And then don't forget to subscribe to Affluent Journeys here on YouTube. That helps me a lot. Follow Affluent Journeys on Facebook. You'll see all my exclusive offers and special deals, especially those that I get on Celebrity there, which I get all the time. And then give me a follow on Instagram. You'll see other things that I do and little short videos on my various travels and whatnot. Now, I am a luxury travel agent. As many of you know, I do represent Celebrity Cruises for U.S. and Canadian customers only. If you're seriously interested in booking a cruise here on Celebrity, I'd love to hear from you about it. And in most cases, I can improve on the offer that you would have by booking direct on your own. Now, even if you've already booked that cruise and they've just made a new rule, it's now a 30-day time limit. So if you book that cruise within the past 30 days, directly with Celebrity's North American offices, not through another country, not through another travel agent, and you're not paid in full, then I might still be able to improve on the offer, and I'll be glad to do it. So serious inquiries may contact me today at the phone number down below, or submit your inquiry on the website, affluentjourneys.com. So that's it for now. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and please stay tuned for the next one.